Hello students, and welcome to this video lesson on segment and angle addition postulates. Our objective today is that we will apply segment and angle addition postulates using our journal notes and practice problems. So first off, let's start with the segment addition postulate. So we need to remember what a postulate is, and a postulate is something which we take to be true. So it's something that we take to be true and that we don't need to prove. So I will give you a statement, and then we'll accept that it's true. So, given that there exist two segments, AB and CD, there exists a segment, EF, such that the length of EF is the sum of the lengths of AB and CD. So at first this might seem a little bit complicated, but really this is a simple statement, right? I say that given that I have two lines, or rather line segments, so I have AB, and then I also have CD. So given that these exist, then there exists another length, EF, such that it's going to be the same length as AB plus CD. So what we have here is we have this overlapping point, which is now both B and C. So we could rewrite this, if we want to replace one of these points, we could just say AC to CD. So all this is saying is that these will equal the length of this. So let's say that the length here was 5, and here the length here was, 10. Then the length here would be 15. So it's a relatively simple concept. We're just stating it in a mathematical way, which makes it seem a little bit more complicated. All right, and then our second postulate that we're going to work with today is the angle addition postulate. So this is almost the exact same postulate, but now it's for angles. So given that there exists two angles, so given that we have the angle cat and the angle dog, so let's go ahead and make our angles here. So this will be D, O, and G, and then this will be C, A, T. So given that I have angles cat and dog, there exists an angle, and we'll call it MAD, that the measure of that angle is equal to the sum of the measure of cat and dog. So the measures of these will equal the measure of this angle here. So we can imagine that we're putting cat and dog together to create this one angle that is equivalent to this angle MAD. So again, a pretty simple concept. It's just putting those two angles together and saying that those angle measures are equal, right? And we can put MAD right here. So it's nothing complicated, nothing really all that new, but all we're stating it is in a different way, right? Intuitively, we understand that if I put cat and dog together, I'm going to get a bigger angle, and that bigger angle should be exactly the measure of cat and dog together. So these are the end of our journal notes for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.